Now about the WYSIWYG editor, so meaning what you see is what you get. So by default, it's the editor you are having. It's based on CK editor, that is another open source project. It will show directly the final result while editing. So the main benefits from this editor is that you are having standard formatting, like headings, text, and bold, italic, underline, all that sort of thing. You have access to some keyboard shortcuts that will help you be quicker while editing, and you have also direct access to wiki macros through this tool to switch in edit mode. So here we are, we can change the title of the page if we want, we can add some we can tweak some part of the text directly. We are displayed with the modification directly too. We have a useful quick access shortcut that allows you to have access to formatting as well as including some macros directly. So you have many ways to add macros in your page. So with the slash action, with the quick action shortcut, with the plus button that allows you to have access to an extract of some useful macros, and then go directly to the other macros selector that will allow you to add some content, some dynamic content to your page. So if I want to for example, add a PDF inside my page, I can choose this macro. One interesting feature that I'm showcasing is that right now this extension is not installed, so I can choose, if I'm an admin, to directly install it. If I choose it, so I can click on install, it will install it directly and allow me to upload a PDF if I want to. And now I'm offered with my content directly as expected.